Today on Behind the Shutter Release, we're going to be talking about
depth of field.
what is depth of field. Depth of field, simply put, is when your subject or foreground is in focus or your background and everything else is out of focus. Now for an example, this picture has the chalet in the rear in focus and the foreground, which is the grass, out of focus. Now the foreground is in focus, which is the grass, and the chalet in the rear is out of focus. Now the science of it. Now to shoot a picture with shallow depth of field, all you have to remember is three different things. Number one is your f-stop, which is your aperture. Number two is focal length, which is the kind of lens you are using. And three, the distance to the subject. Case in point. Here is three different objects, which I'm going to take a photo of using the principles of depth of field. Front object in focus, second object in focus, rear object in focus. All my settings on my camera were the same for each and every picture. Shutter speed 1/60th of a second, aperture 5.0, and ISO 400. Shot with a 50mm prime lens. So if all my settings were the same, what gave me my depth of field? Okay, I know some of you guessed it. What gave me my depth of field was my distance to the object. It's simple as that. So go out there and get behind the shutter release and put these principles into action and come up with some great photos.